So do you also want to automatically send SMS to all your Instagram leads? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly Connect, and in this video we are going to understand how to instantly send welcome SMS to Instagram leads. Automate it now. So over here, like you, I also use Instagram lead ads to promote and grow my business. And now what I want is that as soon as we receive a new lead from Instagram lead ads, I want to send them an automated SMS. So to do this, we are simply going to create a connection between Instagram lead ads and Twilio, and we are going to create this connection without knowing any programming or coding language using an amazing automation software which is Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to create this amazing automation for your own business, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video I'll show you how to instantly send a welcome SMS to every new lead you capture through Instagram lead ads. Whether you're offering a product, a service or a free resource, this automation ensures that each lead receives a warm, timely message with the next steps right after submitting the lead gen form. It's a powerful way to boost engagement, build trust and move leads further down to your funnel, all without sending messages manually. So let's set this up automated SMS system step by step. So to do this, I'm just going to open a new tab and I'm just going to look for the landing page of Pabbly Connect simply by searching pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And now it is opening the landing page of Pabbly Connect. So yes, this is the amazing automation software using which we are going to send automated SMS to all our Instagram leads. But before moving on forward, I'll show you something really helpful. This is Pabbly Community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share your workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It's an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. The link to join this amazing community is in the description box below. Make sure to check it out. Now I'm just going to move on forward and create my own amazing automation. For that, I'm just going to open the landing page of Pabbly Connect, and over here we're going to get two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of hours free every month to explore the application. But over here I am an existing user, so I'm simply going to click on this button which says sign in, and once I'm just going to click on this sign in, it is opening all Pabbly apps, and over here you're going to see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video we are going to use Pabbly Connect because we are connecting different applications. So I'm simply going to click on this access now right over here to access my Pabbly Connect account, and now it is opening the dashboard of my Pabbly Connect account. And to get started, I'm simply going to click on this button which says create workflow. And now it is asking me for the workflow name and the folder I want to save the workflow in. So over here on my dashboard, you can see multiple folders which I've already created in which I save my workflows. So if you also want to create a new folder, you can go towards this create new folder button and create your own. I've already created mine, so I'm just going to save my workflow in one of these only, which is automations. And now I'm just going to name my workflow as this: instantly send welcome SMS to Instagram leads. Automate it now. And then I'm just going to simply click on this button which says create. And once I'm just going to click on this create, it is going to open the most important window of our automation, which is our workflow window. So this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the actions are response towards the commands given by our trigger, and that's the particular reason that we can have only a single trigger but multiple actions following the commands of a trigger in a particular workflow. And to get started, I'm simply going to select my trigger application, which is Instagram lead ads. So I'm just going to search for Instagram lead ads right over here and select it. And now for the trigger event, I'm just going to select it as new lead instant. So I'm just going to create this automation for my own sports and fitness training center, for which I'm running Instagram lead ads. All right, so what I'm just going to do is I'm simply going to click on this button which says connect. We're just going to go towards this add a new connection and then connect with Instagram lead ads. And now over here it is going to ask me to select my Facebook account, using which I'm just going to connect my Instagram lead ads. So I've already connected my Instagram account with my Facebook account, so that is the reason that it is asking me for the same. Alright, so I'm simply going to connect my Facebook account, using which we are going to connect our Instagram lead ads. And yes, you can see authorization successful. With this, we have successfully connected our Instagram lead ads account. And now it is asking me to select the page. So as I showed you right now, the name of my page is Sports and Fitness Training Center. Over here, going to see that this is the name of my page. So I'm just going to select the same page right over here. Now I'm just going to select the lead gen form, which is lead form new. If you want to create this automation for all your lead gen forms, you can select all lead gen forms too, but I'm just going to create this automation only for a particular lead gen form, which is lead form new. So I'm just going to select the same, and now I'm just going to click on this save and send test request. And once I'm just going to click on this save and send test request, it is saying waiting for a webhook response, and in the notes it is saying do a test submission / record. So in order to capture this webhook response, we have to do a test submission or record. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to open a new tab, and I'm just going to open Meta for developers right over here in a new tab. Alright, so I'm just going to simply open the landing page of Meta for developers, and from here we have to go towards this resources and then developer tools, and now we have to scroll and look for lead ads R2 debug tool and open it. And now it is opening my lead ads testing tool, and using this tool only I'm just going to create a new lead. Further, I'm just going to select the page right over here, which is sports and fitness training center, and I'm just going to select the form right over here and click on this preview form. And now I'm just going to fill in this form. It is saying preferred training program. So let's say I'm just going to select it as personal training. It is saying training goals. I'm just going to select it as weight loss. It is saying first name. So I'm just going to keep the first name as test. For the last name, I'm just going to keep it as lead right over here. For the email address, I'm just going to keep it as test@pabblytudes.com. Then I'm just going to move on further right over here, and I'm just going to select the phone number. So as you can see that this is my phone number. So I'm just going to enter it, click on continue, and then submit. And with this, we have successfully submitted a test lead, and now I'm just going to open my workflow, and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same lead right over here. So we just have to wait for a few seconds till Pabbly is capturing the details of the same test submission which we made. And as you can see that Pabbly has successfully captured the details. We're going to see the first name, the last name, the training goals, the training program, the email, and the phone number. And now using these details only, I'm just going to send a SMS towards this lead. Further, I'm just going to select my action application as Twilio. I'm just going to use Twilio in order to send automated SMS. Now for the action event, I'm just going to select it as send SMS message and click on this connect. Now I'm just going to go towards this add a new connection, and now it is asking me for the account SID, authorization token, and once again account SID. So first I'm just going to copy and paste this authorization token. I'm just going to open my Twilio account. I'm just going to go towards this account dashboard, and over here you're going to find auth token. So you simply have to copy it and paste it right over here. And now for the account SID, you same have to repeat the procedure. You simply have to copy the account SID and paste it right over here. I'm just going to paste the account SID in both the fields and click on this button which says save. And once I'm just going to click on this save, with this we have successfully connected our Twilio account with our Pabbly Connect's workflow. And now it's asking me for the body of the SMS. So I'm simply going to enter the SMS body, and as you can see that I've successfully entered the body of the SMS, which is hi lead name, thank you for connecting via Instagram. We are thrilled to help you achieve your fitness goals. Our team will contact you shortly. Team Elite Fit. So yes, you can see that I've simply entered this body of the SMS. So as you can see that we have received the lead's name in the response of our previous steps. I'm simply going to enter my lead's name right over here, which is test lead. But I'm not going to enter it manually or by copy pasting it, but instead I'm just going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And as you know, our previous step was the trigger step where we selected Instagram lead ads as our trigger application. So we are simply going to map the details from the response of a trigger application only. And as soon as we are just going to map these details, automatically my details will turn dynamic and change with every new response received. So I'm simply going to map this lead's name right over here. I'm just going to first map the first name, put a space, and then the last name. And now it is asking me for this sender's number. So from where we're just going to get this sender's number. For that, I'm just going to open my Twilio account, and over here is my Twilio phone number. So I'm just going to simply copy it and I'm just going to paste it right over here in the sender's number. And now I'm just going to move on further. Over here it is asking me for the recipient number. So I'm simply going to map the recipient number from the response of my previous step. But right now over here this recipient number is a test number and we have to use a real number in order to send automated SMS. So I'm just going to replace this test number with my original number so that I can show you the message and the response received. And as you can see, I've simply entered the real number, and now I'm just going to click on this save and send test request. So yes, you can see that now we have received the positive response that we have successfully sent an SMS, and the body of the SMS is something like this. Alright, so first I'm just going to show you the screenshot of the SMS which I have received. And as you can see, a message something like this is what I have received. Over here it is saying sent from Twilio trial account. So yes, I'm using a Twilio trial account. That's the reason that this line has been mentioned in the SMS. But if you're using a Twilio upgraded account, then your lead is not going to receive this line. The message will start right from hi. Alright, so as you can see that we have successfully sent the SMS towards our lead, and with this we have successfully completed our workflow. And now whenever we're going to receive a new lead from Instagram lead ads, automatically SMS something like this will be sent towards my lead, so that we can follow up instantly without any manual efforts. Now we don't have to come back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. All of this is going to happen in backend, and we can just sit back and relax. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. So now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.